Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vaishwan from ICT EK3 at Marwadi University. Today's my topic is a transponder, and here is the content of the transponder is introduction, and next what is a transponder and main functions of a transponder, then block diagram and explanation of a transponder, and types of a transponder and its bandwidth and its applications, advantages and limitations. Final one is a conclusion. Here is the introduction of a transponder. A transponder is an electronic device used in a satellite communication. It receives signal from the earth, amplifies them, changes their frequency and sends them back to the earth, and it acts as a relay station in a space and helps in the long distance communication such as a TV broadcasting, internet and mobile communication. And here what is the transponder? A transponder is an electronic device mainly used in satellite communication systems. The word transponder comes from a transmitter and a responder. It receives signal transmitted from an earth station, amplifies them and converts their frequency, and then retransmits them back to the earth. A transponder acts as a signal relay unit in space. And why transponder is need? Signals sent from earth becomes very weak due to long distance and space losses. A transponder is needed to boost these weak signals, avoid interference by frequency conversion, and ensure that information can be transmitted over large geographical areas reliably. And main functions of a transponder. The main functions of a transponder are receiving uplink signals from the stations, low noise amplification of weak signals, and frequency transmission from uplink to the downlink, and filtering unwanted noise and adjacent signals. Power amplification of a retransmission, sending signals back to earth as a downlink signals. And here is the block diagram of transponder. We can use satellite antenna. Here is a bidirectional transmission for the duplexer and the satellite antenna to the low noise amplifier, and amplifies weak signals with the minimal noise to the frequency converter with the mixer, converts uplink frequency to the downlink frequency to the power amplifier, increases a signal power transmission. And here is the explanation that's and types of transponder. Here it classified based on their operations. Bend type transponder. It means simple amplification and frequency conversion. No signal processing. It is widely used. And then regenerative transponder. It demodulates and decodes and redemodulates and signals. Reduces noise and improves quality. More complex and costly. And next one is the transponder bandwidth. The bandwidth of a transponder receives to the range frequency it can handle. Common satellite transponder bandwidths are we can use 36 megahertz and 54 megahertz and 72 megahertz. And higher bandwidth allows more channels and higher data rates. And here is the applications of a transponder. We can use in satellite, TV and DTH broadcasting, and telephone and mobile communication, and internet and data services, navigation and GPS system, radar and aviation communication in RFID systems. Advantages of a transponder: enables long distance communication, covers wide geographical areas, supports multi-users, and limitations of and reliable and efficient. And limitations of a transponder: high cost, limited onboard power, and signal delay due to the long propagation distance. And here is the final one, conclusion. A transponder is the heart of satellite communication system. It plays a vital role in receiving and retransmitting signals. It enables modern communication services such as broadcasting, aviation and global connectivity. Thank you.